Hello guys, in this video we will see how to connect Snowflake databases from the DBeaver. So the prerequisites are you must have installed DBeaver on your OS, and another one you must have the Snowflake credentials. Okay, first get the Snowflake credentials, click on the account, then again click on this account, then click on view account details. See, we have these information, we need this information. The other one is you must have the DBeaver installed. So if you haven't installed, check for my YouTube channel how to install DBeaver on Windows or Linux operating systems. DBeaver, see I have installed DBeaver latest version. Cancel this one, then click on this plus button or go to database and new database connection, both are same. Then go to analytical, see here we have the Snowflake. Even if you are on all, just search here for Snowflake. See here we have the Snowflake, select it, then click on next. Here we have to provide the host name. Okay, so remove this one, then copy this account URL, just click on this copy button, go to DBeaver, paste it, port number is 443, then provide the username, this is the username, paste the username and provide the password of this user. Then we have to provide DB name, warehouse name and schema name. Okay, so DB name is, now close this one, go to data, then databases. See here we have these databases. So in my case database name is MyDB and schema name is sales. Click on database name, again schemas. See, this is the DB name, this is the schema name. Okay, so provide the database name MyDB. First enter the schema name, sales, then go to admin, then click on warehouses. See here I have these warehouses. Okay, whatever you want you can provide. I'm going to see these two are suspended. I'm going to use compute_wh. So provide that name, compute_wh. It is not case sensitive, you can use small or capital letters. Then click on test connection. See, now it is asking to download this JDBC driver. So select it and click on download. See, you have successfully connected, and see here server version number 9.18 and driver version 3.25. okay, if you click on details, see here we have the more information like ID, driver files information, driver type and other, database name, address. Click on OK, then click on finish. See here in the left side we have the connection name, expand it. See here it is showing all database, whatever the databases are there here, it is showing all. We have, go to database, again databases. See here we have these databases, expand this MyDB, sales DB, tables. See here we have these 4 tables, this database, sales DB, sales schema, tables. And if you want to run queries against this database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now you can run the queries. Select star from customer, select it and click on this execute button or press Ctrl enter. See, now it is retrieving data. See, I have this data. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to connect to Snowflake databases from the DBeaver. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.